Welcome to the lesson on what to do when the Cobot locks up. If you are teaching at the torch and move the Cobot arm too quickly, you may cause the Cobot to lock up. If this happens, you will see an error appear at the teach pendant. In the top right corner of the screen, you will see a reset button. To unlock your Cobot, select the reset button. Thank you. Be sure to check out our library of videos for more tips and troubleshooting information related to your Lincoln Electric Cobot.